Okay, what we're doing here today is for one of our repeat customers, just an old farmer we've worked for. We're going to replace a little bit of culvert in the creek for him. The culvert's here recently kind of washed out, kind of filled up, mucked up. So he's going to provide some culvert, and we're going to muck out the creek and put a new culvert in. Here we go. Okay, so now we got our culvert in place. Got the water redirected. The farmer comes off this hill behind us. When he comes down, it wasn't safe because of this big hole here. So now that we've got our culvert in place, we got water going through it. We'll just hold it in place, and then we'll get some limestone around it. So when he drives through here, it's nice and solid. We've got water coming out the end here, the culvert you can see, and it'll kind of wash that out. All good so far.